you're trying to get in, but you're right up my bum. This is not going to be fun. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and today I am doing another driving video because it was requested. I'm going to do it like a New Year's kind of 2019 video because, you know, why not? And yeah, 2019, do what I want. Hold on. I am not wearing lipstick because I was doing a different video. Of course she's not next. She wants this bloody parking spot. Calm your horse down. Come out. Jesus. Straight in there, hotels. Straight in there. And speed. May calm down a wee bit. Yeah, so I was considering not doing this video because every time I seem to video driving, there always is shit ton of traffic. And I just don't need that in my life today. Where are you going, Emma? Well, you may as well come out. You're halfway out. You're halfway out. Go. Woman halfway out the bloody road. Nobody was going to be able to get past her anyway. Okay. Just hold on, coming home. Text that to Mark. Just hold on, coming home. Don't do these things alone. Yeah, so I haven't even really wrote out my 2019 goals, but it is more, I'm gonna try get more YouTube-y? YouTube-y? That's not a word. I'm gonna try get more, yeah, YouTube-y. That's my new word. It is freezing. Freezing in the house. Go on you. Go on. Go. I didn't know we were going around there. No. I think I can make this. Yes. That's all I can see. All I can see is traffic. I'm never going to get in this other lane, and that's where I need to be. Can't get in here. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. And speed. I got in. Yay! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, thank you. Y'all do this to me. Y'all do this to me. Go. 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 Is it moon? Any chance? Why is our side not moving? Ah, nice and peaceful going 30. Not. Yeah, so I'm going to try to get more into the YouTube, more subscribers. I'm at least wanting the 1,000 subscribers in 2019. And I'm thinking I'm like 60 away from that. Yeah, so I'm wanting 1,000 subscribers in 2019. I'm wanting to do more videos, probably different style in editing. I'm wanting to, I don't know. I haven't really thought about my New Year's resolutions, whereas most of the times I normally have a full-on list. I'm wanting to move out too. That's something that's not YouTube-y, but yeah, I'm wanting to move out too, so here's hoping I can do that. And maybe try be more active on Instagram. And my friend told me I have to start texting back because apparently I don't do that either. So she literally made one of my New Year's resolutions is I have to start texting back. I'm just really bad at it. Like, it's time to be jolly. It's past the time to be jolly. Rev that engine. Rev it. Rev. Something smells like it's burning. Probably my tires. That smells very smoky. Oops. Oh no. I bet you whenever we do one of these videos, I'm actually going to break down or something. I bet you. Like, I wouldn't even know what to do. I think it's this breakdown truck right here, just me talking about it. Isn't it? No, it's not even. It's not even. It's a bloody phone company. It looked like a breakdown truck. Okay. Yeah, I'm not one of these people who will be sitting saying, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna eat good, because let's be honest, I will not do that after about, like, I mean, I would say about 10 days, but it's not even. It'd probably be about 2 hours, and that's not even a joke at all. Yes, I never do that as a New Year's resolution because I actually want to hit my goals and make them realistic, you know, and that just wouldn't be realistic. Maybe I might do some challenges, like, you know, weight challenges, maybe, you know, but like, I just feel them all and you would probably just laugh at me. This would become a comedy channel. I have not cleaned this car in so long that there's still Christmas presents back there, like, well, not Christmas presents, just the Christmas bags. I just haven't moved it, like, you know, really need to clean that shit out. Yeah, and what else? Bottles of Coke everywhere, tins of Coke, anywhere you can set a tin of Coke, it's filled with the tin of Coke. Yeah, so I really need to clean this baby, which ain't happening today because I'm going to get food, I'm going to get alcohol, and it probably won't happen for like another year. Do, 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 do. Oh my god, what are you doing? Stop braking, there is literally no one in front of you. Damn car. Oh, you damn car. Another break. Break, really freaking long break there. Whee! I'm behind Breaky Pants here again. Breaky Pants. I want to really break here. No? Okay. How about him? But he brakes there. Okay. So it's a straight road. Is he going to brake? Yeah. Jesus. That guy. Whoa. Came around flying around that corner. Is Breaky Pants away? Breaky Pants is away. Breaky, breaky. You breaking my heart.